I'm gonna show you how to review your history on your Netflix account using your remote control. I'm gonna log on to mine. I know I watch a few movies and I forget which ones I've watched. I fall asleep on most of them anyway, so they either complete or I just didn't watch them all. But you just scroll down with your remote until you see watch it again. These are movies that you have completely watched. So you may have fell asleep and you watched them all. Or you can go down and keep moving down. And you can go down to the part where you found movies that you didn't complete. It says continue watching for Glenn Lewis. Let me go back up and show you. See, these are movies that I started and didn't complete. So you can just scroll through. And one thing you probably want to do, I don't know how to do it, but clear the history with your remote control. But most people say just go on the computer. But if you guys find out how to clear the history without logging on the computer, let me go. So you can resume these movies where you stopped at, or you can just start from the beginning. So if any of you know how to clear the history or find a better way just by using a remote, TV remote, let me know instead of logging on to the computer. All right, and thank you and have a great day.